Engine 53-1 and route 6.
Engine 53-1, okay. Breaker 53, okay.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Breaker 60, okay. Turn 50, okay.
Engine 53-1 from Q53. If you use run your route, just be careful. It's very slick. 10-4.
Look at it for me.
County Tiger 604.
So the house number is going to be 915.
Breaker 60, I copy.
915.
915. Stone
County Q53. Get the township out here for me a while. We're running in.
Copy.
Which one's Stonehill?
I'm trying to get the map up now. Stonehill's going to be off of Boy Scout Road. You're good.
Q53 engine 1.
Pioneer Road's a fucking goat path.
Yeah, it's right off of Pioneer Road.
Coming up to Stone Hill, rather. Are we going to make a left or right cutoff right here? You want to come up past Boy Scouts up beyond Len Littlewitz's house. 10-4. County Q53, can I have an off jump?
It was given out off channel 10.
10-4, sorry.
Also, Command Township's been notified.
10-4, thank you. Assistant 53, you want to take office?
It's off the Stony Lane too. Do you know where Stony Lane is?
53-2, responding.
Stony Lane?
Yeah, right off the New Danville Pike.
Engine 53-1, on your arrival. Pull right in the driveway. If you go in the front door, make a right. There will be a set of pull-down steps on your right-hand side that will gain you access to the attic. Pull up here straight across from my truck, right in front of my truck. So at that white car, make a right.
Dude, I can't picture.
County Engine 53 is on
Is
location.
it easier to go down through Conestoga?
Engine 53-1, okay.
Good. County Tanker 53-2, same traffic.
Breaker 53, okay.
Yeah.
I'm in the side door there. I got the steps down to the attic. They're going to try and make access to the attic. I don't have smoke down the stairs. Okay, copy that. Engine 1, you copy that?
2502, okay.
This time just bring them in and have them come with headlights and a tip. I have no smoke downstairs. I do have the attic ladder down to make access upstairs. Okay, engine 1 crew, you copy that?
Yeah, just take Main Street all the way to Stonehill.
Captain 53 from Chief, go to off 10.
I have heavy smoke in the attic. It's coming out the heat there. Engine 1, pull it into the amp. You need a stick to the attic.
Rescue 50, we have 4.
Chief, go ahead.
need the engine to half pointed through the porch area there on the Delta side. Captain, are you copying any of this? Yeah, we copied it. You want it through the porch or the front door? County engine 55-2's arriving.
Engine 55 Kyoga.
Anybody come in?
County tank 55 arriving.
Taker 55, okay.
Want your line in the front door or the
At this time, just bring the line
Sorry,
in the front
54,
door.
okay.
Engine 55-1, just have your crew assist our crew.
So Sandstone is top of the hill,
Stonehill, you mean?
or Stone Hill?
Yeah, it's right across from Sand Hill. Stonehill goes one way, Sand Hill goes the other way.
Alright.
Listen for 16 Amberley Way, alarm bell, struck 25. That's Thursday.
Kendrick's there too, right?
We're charging that line until I tell you.
I have absolutely no service
Engine
now.
53-1 chauffeur, did you copy assistant 53? Yeah, I copy that. 905's arriving.
Engine 905, okay.
Chief, at this time, they have a heavy smoke condition. They don't see no visible fire. Okay, copy that. I still got visible smoke on the Delta Eve up in the peak.
Stonehill is right at the wagon.
Right.
All right, I would suggest if you get the next crew in the ladder, that maybe vent that side window or side door somehow. Okay. Engine 2, can you get your crew on that? 55 crew gone. Repeat that. Rescue 23 chauffeur from command. County Tanker 60.
Taker 60, okay.
There's absolutely no easy way
Power
to get
down.
there.
We're going to get ready to reposition the rescue down the lower end down here. Okay.
Man, Thursday, engine in front of engine 53-1.
Yeah, I'm with the guys on the side. Open it up.
So when you get up there, kinda gets the sharp, right?
All right, well, I need somebody
You
to
wanna
take
go kinda straight.
manpower staging for me. 53, Tanker 60. Got it. Join our crew up to front of your engine 53. Yes, please. Yeah, 55, I'll get manpower. All right, I got a set of tags here at my pickup off of 905. I don't know, I'll try and get them over to you. All right. We're going to work on the ladder on the other side of the building. Benjamin.
What was the numbers?
915. You got to go down and
Assistant from Chief, we now have smoke coming out of the B, and right in the center of the roof area. Okay.
you're going to come to a T,
Good.
turn right, and then it's up around the bend.
Along part of the building.
This drops down, I think.
Okay. We're parked down the road. ventilation out the side. I'm sure we get power off of 53-1.
You're 50, okay.
I think we're 50 coming into, just hold up here. Pretty tight down there.
Copy, we're holding up here behind our entrance.
Got the front of the building right here.
Yeah.
Assistant to command, do you want to send somebody in here with some tarp covers? Tower 50. Get an electric fan to the Alpha side, Alpha Delta corner.
There you go.
Copy, fan Alpha Delta. You guys hear that? Fan Alpha Delta.
55, you copy, they need some torps, some salvage covers in there.
Truck, the special services are here. I'm going to get them to work on that for us. They're going to do ventilation and salvage.
What's that?
Salvage too.
Okay.
Copy salvage trucks also.
Chief 50, you copy all that?
$16-1, just stage behind engine, $15-1.
Good. We are drilling the ceiling on the first floor. There is a lot of hot spots up there. We're probably before the whole ceiling is on this. Okay, 50 is opening up a vent area cable on the other side for system access. That other corner on the other side. Command to 905, guys. Can you come down off the roof? There's no reason to hours to check with Lieutenant 53. I am not sure of that. I have to send for the power is fine. You're good, go. Good? Power's off. Yep.
That is 3?
Yep, just 3. There might be a 4th one coming.
Not 63 like the last time?
Yeah. That's alright. Most people weren't in there breathing.
It's water. That's something else. I can't even feel it